Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to oxiouscapital channel. So we want to look at the forex market for the coming week, 2nd of December down to 6th of December 2024. So let's analyze the chart together. All right, so the market has been crazy these days, and you will believe with me that we are approaching the end of the year, so trading is relatively slow. So let's analyze the pair together. So this is dollar index for daily dollar index one day. So let's look at it together. Anyway, so we don't really have much to talk about here. After this, we'll just go straight to Euro US, then call it a day for this particular video. Okay, so for uh, for dollar index, I'm technically bearish on dollar index. Let's zoom out a bit. I'm technically bearish for dollar index. The reason is because this blue line here is the previous daily resistance line that the market has respected for a while. Now the market broke out of this line and came back to retest the line. So this resistance line turned to become a support. So the market broke out, came back to retest, but then it couldn't hold, it couldn't sustain the market. So if you look at it on a 4 hour on a lower time frame, you see what the market is currently doing there. So that's a clear indication of what is happening. So you know that the this whatever affects the dollar affects all the pair, all the dollar pair, all the pairs attached to dollar. So as you can see, this is the same daily resistance uh, support line turn resistance. So if you use our indicator to check, you see that the market has actually been trading downward. So this is the trend line, daily trend line. So it has been trending downward, and I'm technically bearish on this particular dollar index. I'm technically bearish. So this line has been broken out, as you can see. It has been broken out and then broke out of this line, came back to do a retest of this same line, and then started falling. Don't forget, um, don't forget there is a gap here that has been filled already. So this gap has been filled, and with the presence of this bearish engulf on 4 hours time frame, it is a confirmation that the dollar will continue to fall. So that being said, then where are we expecting it to fall? At least we're expecting it to fall down to this point of 105.430, at least 105.47. So I'm expecting the dollar index to 40, the dollar to 40 this point, this point. So and if you look at it on a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame as well. So the same thing too. So this is a bearish engulfing. So I'm expecting the dollar index to even fall the more before taking any other further movement up. Yes, exactly. So you see, it's also currently sitting on a support line, which most likely is going to break and fall down. So I am technically bearish on dollar. So having said that, so let's look at some dollar pairs together. So let's look at a euro USD. So I have already done some analysis on this pair already, but then let's also look at it together. Let's look at this pair together. So this is euro USD, and then so if dollar is bearish, all the dollar pairs are expected to be bearish as well, except anti-dollar pairs. And when we say anti-dollar pairs, you know what anti-dollar pairs is. Anti-dollar pairs include um, Euro USD and Euro USD, GBP USD, and the list continue. Um, then dollar pairs include. Um, so anyway, so that is it. So this is my look for the dollar index. So this is my outlook for this particular pair, and I am technically bearish on Euro USD. The reason is this: if you look at this on, let's look at it on a higher time frame. So on a higher time frame, let's say daily. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit more. So um, you see that this particular market has been trading in a channel. So this is a particular channel it has been trading on for a while, and so it managed to go up, and it's currently seated at the daily resistance line. So what are we expected to see next? I'm expecting this candle to even fall more, but then the falling may not be this week. So we'll have a clearer picture on H4. H4. No, so for the daily, it is sitting on the daily resistance. So expectantly, we're expecting it to drop. Okay, sorry about that. I'm expecting it to drop. And the reason I'm expecting it to drop on the 1 hour time frame, this is a bearish engulf. This is a bearish engulf. And also on the 1 hour time frame, it has made a double. This is a double bottom, as you can clearly see. This is a double bottom. This is the move. This is bottom one. Then a little retracement down, move and form, sorry, a double top, sorry, not double bottom, pardon me, double top. So this is top one and top two. So it came down a little, but then through sustained, came up again to retest this, exactly this point, the daily resistance line again. So this daily resistance line has just been tested 2 times. This is one and this is two. So what are we expecting next? We're expecting this pair to fall all the way down. And then notwithstanding, look at this rejection mark here. This rejection candle here is also an indication that this pair is also going to fall. Again, in my style of trading, let's look at H4. Let me show you something on this particular pair as well. Let me show you guys something. So see, this is H4 for this. So what are we seeing here? We're seeing a double top, 1, 2, clearly visible. A double top clearly visible. So let me take away this for clarity. Clearly visible, double top, 1, 2. And then if you know how to trade double top pattern, this pattern, it's expected that at the break of this neckline, then you can take a trade and place your stop loss above this. But then we have already spotted this out here. So using the smart money movement, this is an order block, excuse me. This is an order block. So expectedly, we're expecting this market to feel this imbalance. There is an imbalance here. This is an area of imbalance. So we're expecting the market to feel this imbalance. And this, if the market will feel this imbalance, it will move from this particular place where it is down to this particular place. So this is my outlook, and I believe it will work out exactly as we have said, so that we can cash out from this particular market. And don't forget, guys, that this is we just entered December, and the market is relatively going to be slow because we're pushing the end of the year, so everything is happening slowly. I say so. So another point again that confirms my entry as well. Look at this resistance trend line again from here. The pair market has just broken out of it. This line here, market has just broken out of it and then came back to do a retest on it. This is another confirmation. Came back to do a retest on it. So having done this retest, what is our expectation for the market to drop from here to this place? So guys, thank you very much. And this is where we'll call it a day. If there's another pair you want us to analyze, please drop it in the comment section and we'll look at it together. Until then, see you again on our next video. Thank you very much and do have a lovely day, a lovely trading week. Bye.